Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Welcome in SST class day 2. Yesterday I had discussed the introduction of industries and their types. I hope you have read the topics and revised the terms. Now before we start further, let me take feedback of the previous topics through cross questions. Define the following terms. Number 1 industry, number 2 small scale industry, number 3 large scale industry. How many types of industries are there? What is raw material? Why can we not use them directly? What are the features of a small scale industry? I hope you all are able to answer all these questions. Now let's start today's topic. Today you will read about textile industry. Under textile industry, I will discuss silk textiles, woolen textiles and jute textiles. And after that I will discuss iron and steel plants, sugar mills, railway equipment industries, aircraft industries, shipbuilding, automobile and other industries. So children, at the end of today's topic, you will be able to know about different industries and their centers in India. Now let's start reading. Textile industry. In India, cotton textiles are found in areas where black soil is found. Textile mills are located around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai and Coimbatore. India is one of the leading producers of cotton textiles. Textile means fabric. Now I will explain textile industry with the help of these pictures. Cotton textiles are found in areas where black soil is found. Textile mills are located around Mumbai in Maharashtra, Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Chennai and Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Kolkata in West Bengal. India is one of the leading producers of cotton textiles. Now let's read silk textiles. Silk textiles mills are located in Bengaluru, Mysuru, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Surat, Murshidabad and Varanasi. Mill means factory. Now see students, silk textiles are located in Surat in Maharashtra, Bengaluru and Mysuru in Karnataka, Kanchipuram and Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Murshidabad in West Bengal and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Now we will read about woolen textile. Woolen textile mills are located in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Mirzapur and Srinagar. See students, woolen textile mills are located in Amritsar, Ludhiana in Punjab, Panipat in Haryana, Kanpur and Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh and Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Let's read next topic. Jute needs a hot and wet climate and soil that can hold water. Such conditions are available in West Bengal. Most of the jute textile mills are located around Kolkata. So students, jute needs a hot and wet climate and soil that can hold water. Such conditions are available in West Bengal. Most of the jute textile mills are located around Kolkata. Now let's read iron and steel plants. Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Roorkela, Salem and Vishakhapatnam are the main centers. Most of these places are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. Mining means digging out of minerals from the earth crust. Regions means areas. Now let's see the map. Iron and steel plants are located in Bokaro in Jharkhand, Roorkela in Odisha, Durgapur in West Bengal, Salem in Tamil Nadu, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand and Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. Now let's read sugar mills. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Tamil Nadu are the chief producers of sugar, as sugar cane is grown in these states. Chief means main. Now see students, sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu are the chief producers of sugar, as sugar cane is grown in these states. Now we will read about railway equipment industries. These industries are located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kolkata, Perambur and Kapurthala. Now see the map. Railway equipment industries are located in Kapurthala in Punjab, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, Chittaranjan and Kolkata in West Bengal and Perambur in Tamil Nadu. Now next industry are aircraft industries. These industries are located in Bengaluru, Koraput, Hyderabad, Kanpur and Nasik. Now see students, aircraft industries are located in Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Nasik in Maharashtra, Bengaluru in Karnataka, Hyderabad in Telangana, Koraput in Odisha. Now let's read shipbuilding. Shipbuilding yards are located in Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai and Mormugao. Shipyard means a place where ships are built and repaired. Now see the map students. Shipbuilding are located in Mumbai in Maharashtra, Mormugao in Goa, Kochi in Kerala and Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Now we will read about automobile. Automobile factories are located in Gurgaon, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur, Pune, Chennai and Nasik. So students, automobile industries are located in Gurgaon in Haryana, Nasik and Pune in Maharashtra, Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand and Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Now next topic is other industries. Let's read. Other important industries include electronics, electrical, chemical, petrochemicals, fertilizers, cement, paper, heavy machinery, machine tools, garments and glass. Petrochemical means a chemical obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Fertilizer means a chemical or natural substance added to soil or land to increase its fertility. Let's continue. In the past few years, India has become the leading country in the software industry. The major software producing centers in India are Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. The overall progress of a country depends very much on the growth of its industries. With the encouragement given by the government, India is fast becoming an industrial country. Encouragement means inspiration. So students, on the whole we can say that there are some important industries include electronics, electrical, petrochemicals, fertilizers, cement, paper, heavy machines, machine tools, garments and glass. Growth of industry is helpful to increase wealth of a country, production of goods and standard of living of the people. Due to presence of various industries, people are getting new types of products such as automobiles, furniture, clothes, electrical appliances, etc. The overall progress of a country depends very much on the growth of its industries. I hope today's topic is clear to all. So your homework is reread today's topic. Do question number 3rd, 4th, 5th of exercise C and 4th and 5th question of exercise D. Thank you.